mirrors, place an object in between, and you see there are infinite number of images formed by them, like infinite images. So what actually happens in two plane mirrors, like we have seen in our normal day-to-day classes, but in this setup, like what I have done is I have used two sets of parallel mirrors like this. So you can have a look. So this is a very weird thing. So like we have seen a couple of YouTube videos and we have googled many things. We haven't come across this particular structure. So what it is like four plane mirrors like this. So coming back to your lecture classes, you have seen when there are two mirrors and here is your little house, is an object. So you see infinite number of images like this, right? So like in the sideways it is showing in some museum or all, you can see such type of images. And also you must have seen that when two mirrors are placed perpendicular to each other and here is the object, you see one image of object here, one here and one here. So you see three images of that object, right? So now what happens in this particular thing is, you have these two sets of plane mirrors, these two sets of plane mirrors, this is one perpendicular thing, this is the other, this is third set and this is fourth set. Now let's see, let's look into this. I have kept this duster over here. I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but I'll ask my friend to shift the camera a little bit and just show the number of images that are formed. So let's come back to our this theory and let's see how many ray diagrams can be possibly made. Here was our object. So like initially we have seen in our classes and all. So one will be this infinite images and one will be this infinite length of images, right? Two plane mirrors. The same is gonna happen for this as well. One infinite image and one infinite image. Correct. But now here also an image will be formed and here also an image will be formed. And these two are again parallel. So because of that, one infinite line will be here, one infinite line will be here. The same goes for these two corners as well. Infinite line will be here, infinite line will be here. So now, what my question and confusion is, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are basically 8 infinite lines as we can see over here. But in this particular thing, according to me, what happens is, there are not just 8 infinite lines, there are like quite a few. Like the images are here as well, so there are many. So what my observation is, this virtual object, like this virtual object, that can also act as an object for this mirror as well. So suppose the ray is coming like this, so a virtual object will be formed.